After chatting with some of our podiatrists and FHPs about product application recently, I've hopped back on to briefly go through how you and your patient should use Tinexyl PRO. So, the first thing is, it's a very easy product to apply and comes in a simple bottle and brush format. If you think your patient will benefit from Tinexyl PRO treatment, apply the product in clinic or at their home for the first application. This should be after a general tidy up and potentially some degree of debridement of the nail or nails to be treated. Secondly, a little goes a long way. Tinexyl PRO is only a little bit more viscous than water, so step one of the application is always to wipe the excess product from the brush before you get going. This entire brush load should hold enough product for every nail on one foot. There's no need to over-wet the nail, and it's about consistency of daily application of a small amount for at least 1 month rather than applying an excess. I recommend application to every toenail, but you and your patient may only want to focus on a single or a few target toenails. Ensure the entire nail has coverage with the product and apply to the surrounding skin, just the margins, and especially at the base of the nail towards the matrix. If the product can be applied between the underside of the distal edge of the toenail plate and skin, that's ideal, but it's not necessary. After the first application, the patient should take the product home in its box, or keep it at home if that's where you've applied it, and continue to apply regularly. Just once a day is all that's required, and I recommend application to clean, dry toenails in the evenings so that the product can work its magic overnight. It takes about 15 minutes to dry completely. A product insert with instructions for use is provided in every box for your patient, and we or your podiatry product supplier will have provided a separate copy for your records by email or in hard copy. And we'll always let you know if the product instructions are ever updated and supply the latest version. You can also always download a copy of the latest version of the insert from the Tinexyl PRO website. And remember, on there you'll also find details of what the product does, what it contains, and how it works. As I stated previously, your patient should use the product for a month initially and then see you again for review. At this stage, you should both have a good idea of how long the product will have to be used to resolve the current issue and before the patient switches to maintenance mode. We'll come back to duration of treatment another time, as this varies from individual to individual patient, and the switch to maintenance mode is important. A 5 ml bottle of Tinexyl PRO will last around 2 months if every nail on both feet is being treated, and up to 6 months if only single or pairs of nails are being treated. I hope this was a useful backup to the product insert and the information on our website, but as always, please email us at info@tinexylpro, either .co.uk or .com, if you have any questions, queries, or concerns.